guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a review for you. A crochet hook of sorts, if you will. I'm sure you've probably already discovered what hook we will be reviewing by the thumbnail and the beginning of this video. So, if you're here for it, stay tuned and let's head to the craft table. Hi everyone. Recently I was in Michael's and I ran across these crochet hooks by Prym. Now, I have seen the knitting needles in the past, but I have never seen the crochet hooks. So I decided to go ahead and pick them up and give them a try and a review for you guys. So they are made in Germany, but they are distributed in the U.S. from Spartanburg, South Carolina, which is right down the road from me. They are made with a high-performance synthetic material, easily catches yarn and glides effortlessly through the stitches. It says the super smooth handle reduces fatigue with a comfortable shape and grip. And it looks like they may be made with recyclable materials. Michael's had several different sizes. They had, at my store, sizes C through N, as well as a 7mm. I went ahead and picked up just a few of the sizes for projects that I have coming up, as well as the sizes I use normally. So I got a G, H, and a J. I am not sure if each size is color-coded, meaning only the G comes in this pink and only the J in this kind of mustardy orange and J in the green. I am not sure about that. But this is what they look like outside of the box. It plainly says the size right here etched in with the name of the hook. They are ergonomic. It does have the little air hole here. The top seems to be very sturdy. Now, this is what the top of the hook itself looks like. So yeah, that is the G. Let's take a look at the H. And they do come in these very nice boxes, which I try not to ruin. Because I'm a little extra like that. I like to put my hooks back in the boxes sometimes. So this is the J. Again, it's got the, no, I'm sorry, this is the H. It's got it stamped right here what it is. And that is what the tip of the hook looks like. Now we'll go for the J. Alrighty. The J is this really pretty green. Again, it's got it marked what size it is, who the manufacturer is. It does fit nice in the hand. And that is what the tip of this one looks like. So, yeah. So let's grab some yarn. And see how they work. I have some Impeccable right here that I also picked up at Michael's today for an intended design. 285 yards. It is a worsted weight number 4. It says a USH, so that's what we will use. And this color is Orange Crush. So we are going to grab our H hook, set those over to the side, and we are just going to crochet with it and see our first impressions. So my first impressions are that the yarn glides through these hooks very nicely. Very nicely. I would say just as nice as the Clover Amour. I'm not sure if it's made out of the same material, but those glide very nicely. All right, so let's just do a couple double crochet here and see. This will kind of give me an idea also if I need to go down to the G for the project that I'm getting ready to start. I already have the majority of it worked out, so I just have to do a swatch to see if it's going to work the way I want it to. The hook did not just split that, I put it in the wrong spot. So, yeah. These hooks ranged anywhere from $5.49 to $6.49 at least at my store, so very affordable. And you can also use your discount coupons with these hooks when they are not on sale. So I actually was at Michael's twice today because I had to go back and get another color once my design was sketched out, and I decided to go ahead and pick up one more hook while I was there. So I'm glad I did. I really like the way they work. So I think that these would rank right up there with my, yeah, easy for me to say. So yeah, I think these would rank right up there with my hooks that I grab on a daily basis. So I am very happy with this purchase, and I am excited to actually get more of them. So again, these are the Prym ergonomic crochet hooks. I got mine at Michael's. So yeah, very, very pleased with it. Very pleased. Didn't hurt my hands. As you guys know, I have very bad arthritis. And there are certain times that I can move my hands and certain times that I can't. And that actually fits in my hand very nicely. So I'm very pleased with these, and I will continue to use them. This video is not sponsored by Michael's, nor is it sponsored by Prym. This is my own opinion. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you guys try these hooks out, let me know down below. I love to hear what you think of them. Until next time, guys, happy crocheting. Bye.